How to check if checkbox is checked with jQuery. How can I check if a checkbox in a checkbox array is checked using the ID of the checkbox array? I am using the following code, but it always returns the count of checked checkboxes regardless of ID. IDs must be unique in your document, meaning that you shouldn't do this. Instead, drop the ID, and then select them by name, or by a containing element. And now the jQuery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.